Today I am going to be building set 4676, the Phantom Menace Brickheadz set. It was released on May 1st of 2024 and has 732 pieces. With brickheads numbers 227 through 232 respectively, this is one of the first 6-pack brickheads that we've ever received in LEGO. This is going to be a fun build. I hope you sit back, relax, and enjoy. Tiny little Anakin Skywalker is a pretty cool little addition, but it really makes for half of brickheads. Definitely the weakest of the 6 in the group, but a nice little addition to have in this series. Captain Typho with his gold and red makes a really bold statement in brickheads. I always love the chrome red, and he is an overall really solid build to this set. This is the second Obi-Wan Kenobi we've had done in brickheads. The first is the older version. This is the younger Padawan version, and a really nice printed robe piece makes this a nice looking brickheads. Jar Binks is a really fun build. His ears are perfect, the way they did his eyes are great, and I love his printed torso piece, and you couldn't finish it off more perfectly with those big wide webbed feet. Princess Amidala is clearly the star of this set. The piece count is the highest on her, as well as the great printed pieces you have not only on her torso, but on her face. Couple that with the chrome gold, the pearl gold pieces. This is one of my favorite brickheads ever done in Star Wars. Finally, we've got Darth Maul, and the printed pieces that make up his face are absolutely perfect. And I do want to mention his eyes may be my favorite brickhead eyes that I have ever built. I cannot believe that brickheads have been out for 10 years, and this is the first Darth Maul we've ever had. An absolutely fantastic addition. I just want to say thanks so much for tuning in. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.